So today's job market is super competitive and fierce. With companies having access to a global market with remote work being even more of a thing than before, this makes standing out and applying for jobs super difficult. And applying for a bunch of jobs all at once is super time consuming. It's an arduous process. We all hate it, right? But one benefit that job seekers these days have is using the power of AI. Embracing these tools can give you a bit more of an edge and an upper hand and significantly boost your chances of landing and preparing for that dream job. So in this video, I'll share 5 AI tools that can help you land a great job. I'm not sponsored by any of these tools. I simply want to help more people stay prepared by sharing them out. And if you'd like to share this video out to join the journey, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to learn the building blocks for this age of AI. So the first tool on the list is Careerflow.ai. It's an awesome AI platform that's trusted by over 200,000 job seekers. They mentioned that people who have used their platform are people that were hired at Google, Meta, Netflix, Airbnb, and many other big corporations. This AI tool helps you accelerate your job search by keeping all applications in a single place, and the platform offers a personalized CRM to keep track of your job applications, notes, contacts, everything. They have a LinkedIn optimization tool which helps with analyzing and enhancing your LinkedIn profile. It actually boosts its visibility by 2.5 times, and essentially it tweaks it to be more attractive for recruiters. They also have a job search tracker, which is an easy-to-use dashboard that monitors any job opportunities. It allows you to jot notes down, and it sort of serves as like a Kanban board style that tracks your applications. And then they also have an X-ray search feature, which provides access to a database of actively hiring companies and connects you with a community of fellow job seekers. Then there's Loopcv. This AI tool is for anybody that wants to build out or improve their actual CV. There are platforms like ZipRecruiter and even Careerflow, as I mentioned earlier, that helps you keep track of jobs, but applying itself takes time. So at its core, Loopcv leverages AI to automate the job application process itself. You just need to kind of fill in your details once, then the tool begins to automatically apply to jobs that align with the criteria you put in. You can even set Loopcv to auto-apply to relevant job openings on a daily basis, effectively removing the hassle from job applications. Once again, it's a one-click application process so that you don't have to manually go through every single job post and apply. It can just kind of do it for you. They even have like a job search feature, and you can even send dynamic emails to recruiters with customizable templates. And they also have a CV improvement suggestion, which kind of gives you some recommendations on how to improve your overall resume. The third is Resume Worded. These days, everybody's battling for great positions, and as a job seeker, you need to ensure that your resume stands out from the rest. But resume crafting is also a type of skill. So with Resume Worded, you can optimize your resume. All you have to do is upload it to the tool itself. It gives you a score. It gives you suggestions on how to fix it up, from whether it's its length or the number of bullet points you have, the wordiness, grammar, whatever case it is. And then anything above 80% is usually deemed submission worthy. So once you receive the score, you can make the necessary changes and then re-upload your resume to see if the score has improved. As I mentioned, it does have some instant resume review using AI. It also has something for LinkedIn reviews, so it can take a look at your LinkedIn profile. It can give suggestions on what you need to improve. And then it also has some resume templates that are provided that you can speed in the resume building process itself. Then the next tool on the list is Cover Letter Copilot. Resumes are important, but cover letters are also equally important. So even according to Yahoo Finance, 83% of hiring managers said that including cover letters could convince them to schedule an interview with the applicant. So it's the part that makes you personally stand out from the rest. But of course, writing cover letters can be a real drag, but unfortunately, it's a process that you need to do, right? But with Cover Letter Copilot, you can overcome this hump, leveraging AI to help you kind of write. It has a 4.3 score on Trustpilot. It's trusted by 10,000 users, and you just simply put in your information, include some resume details, and voila, you have something created for you. Through the tool, you can change up your writing style depending on what kind of job you want to apply for. You have access to GPT-4, so depending on if you're paying or if you're a premium user, and you have advanced control over how the output of your cover letter turns out as well. So up till now, we've talked about refining your resume, applying for jobs, and all that stuff. But the next thing afterwards is being able to ace the interview. So this is where the next AI tool comes quite in handy, which is Interview Warmup. It's a simple tool offered by Google that allows you to prep for your next interview with a series of different positions from digital marketing to UX design. So it allows you to practice with real questions and receive immediate feedback. The tool itself is so simple, and it's just really practicing with different questions from different roles and industries. And you can also do voice recognition, so it allows you to input your responses in voice like an actual interview. So there you have it, a simple list of 5 AI tools that can help you land that perfect job. I hope this was helpful for anybody that's trying to look for a job right now. And I know it's a bit tough out there, but keep your head up. And if you're interested on more tools that help with the job application process, check out the next video. And if you found any of these tools here useful, give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel out. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see or hear more tools out there, or you want me to dive deeper into a given tool. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more content on tips and tricks that help you navigate this digital ocean of AI.